Hello students, today we are solving question number 3. Consider economy where the agents are identical and infinitely lived representative agent maximizes the lifetime utility in this way, and you represent the utility function. Agent chooses a consumption and real money holding maximizes this. Each agent has the following budget constraint and all these explanations are there. So yt equal to f of gt means the output of this thing, periods. Additionally, inflation depends. The Lagrangian for the agent is also given. This. Write down the first order condition to maximize this option, and using the first order condition derive the previous part for the inflation. Okay, long reading. So the first and foremost, let's go for the Lagrangian part of this thing. So Lagrangian is summation of t equal to 0 to beta t u of ct mt plus lambda t, then yt tau t. Okay, so there's a lot of maths we have to write. Okay, 1 plus I minus 1 bt minus it minus 1, rather say, yeah, 1 plus pi t plus mt minus 1 1 plus pi t plus 1 minus sigma kt minus 1 minus ct minus mt, okay, minus kt minus bt. So this is the thing. Okay, so the first order condition, delta L delta ct equal to beta t del u ct mt So the first order condition represents mt, so del L del mt equal to beta t del u ct mt lambda t equal to 0. So this will be equal to lambda t directly, this will be. So the first order condition that represents kt is del L del kt, we have to go. So this is a beta t minus lambda t here plus beta lambda t plus 1 f dash kt. So lambda t equal to beta lambda t plus 1 f dash kt plus 1. So the first order condition for bt del L del bt is okay. So this is the thing, first part done. Using the first order condition, derive the previous part, show the relationship between interest on bonds and inflation and the real interest rate. So this year's toughest question. So so the first order condition we can have it lambda t b lambda t plus 1. So this is f dash kt t plus 1. Equating the two expressions of lambda t, we get it at beta lambda t plus 1 f dash kt plus 1 plus sigma equal to beta lambda t plus 1 t plus 1. So this is not equal to, so we can divide both sides. So f dash kt so rearranging and solve for 1 plus it, we can get it for rt plus 1 1 plus pi t plus 1. So that's the relationship between the nominal interest rate and the real interest rate, and all these things are 1 plus it is 1 plus rt 1 plus pi t plus 1. This is the relationship. Expanding and simplifying, we can also do it. So finally it, this thing is rt pi t plus 1. This is the standard Fisher equation.